I want to talk to you today about this grab bar. As soon as I saw this, I thought, this is what I need. I'm a member of the Short Club. It's not only great to be able to reach high things, it also is great to reach low things. You know, as you get older, you can't always bend over as easy. So now I can use this to pick things up off the floor or underneath. How many times is something falling underneath your car and you don't have any way to get it? Grab bar will do this. What I like about this grab bar is it folds up. So now you can put this when you're going to the store. I have seen so many people in the grocery store or in the big box stores that can't reach things. And if they had one of these, to reach those things for themselves. So let me show you how this works. Right here is a Velcro strap. And then this opens up. It's in 3 parts, and then you just put it together and you just snap that right into place. Now, one of the things about this one here is on the front, these are magnets. So my keys are back here, and now I can pick this up like that. With the magnet, I can be able to do it. So time getting things out of this cupboard up here. So now I can just put this on here, grab it, and bring it down. And I always can never get these kind of things. So now I can just grab it and bring it down without killing myself trying to climb up there. I just think this is overall a great tool, especially if you have a senior and their mobility just isn't what it used to be. This is a great product to help them along the way and keep their independence. And that is just my personal opinion.